I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love. I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love with your eyes.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is YARA, but I go like Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my soft crimp look. Okay, crimps is always like very popular during the summertime. It's just a very popular hairstyle overall, and I personally like this hairstyle, so that's why I'm sharing it with you guys today. The hair that I'm using for this video is sponsored by Ali Grace. Okay, so I got the 22-inch body wave 13x4 lace frontal wig. We're just gonna get into the video. one, I did not know that doing a freaking zigzag part was gonna be this difficult. Y'all, I'm not even gonna talk about how long it took me to do that zigzag. This is the complete look. Super cute. It looks very natural. That's what I want to say. The hair is like super soft. It's not like them crunchy crimps. I hate those. Like, you knew you could have combed them out. I really hate those type of crimps, but these look good. These kind of remind me of a water wave texture. So if you want to get a water wave texture but you don't know how, do some crimps and comb them out, and there you go. I don't really have too much to say about the hair. I would say I am not a fan of the lace at all. Like, when I was putting it on, it looked green. It looked like green, and it just sits on top of my skin. Like, it's not melted all the way. I did the best that I could do, but if you up close and personal, you could see that it's just sitting on top of my skin. It's not that bad, but I just do not care for it at all. I didn't receive any shedding. This hair didn't stink, thank God. They must have heard. They must have been listening. They must have watched my last few videos, because I hate stinky hair. But yeah, and then the baby hairs, I wasn't doing too much, nothing too crazy with the baby hairs. I didn't do the sides because, like I said, I'm not a fan of the lace, so I won't be tucking or anything like that. So I decided to just focus on the middle section for the baby hairs. But yeah, that's it, that's all. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications so that you are aware of when I post, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Vibes.